are back at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So today we've got like a full day plan of rides. It's a full proper day, a Star Wars construction update, some big news there, as well as again taking another look at Toy Story Land. If you haven't already seen a Toy Story Land vlog, go check that out straight afterwards. But we'll be doing some more rides there. So just look at the kind of Christmassy stuff they have and how they do out Hollywood Studios for the holidays. And let's go to Star Tours. And I remember we rode this the other day when we were here, the Star Tours, and I really want to see like whether it's different again, because last time we were here we had some issues with them just showing the exact same video clip instead of it being different every time. But I'm hoping that they kind of solved that now. But there's only one way to find out, guys. We've already seen Donald and Daisy Duck here today. I don't know whether it's less busy because it's a bit colder today. It's like hoodie weather, but we'll see. It smells like cookies as well. I like cookies. If you just in case you're wondering, the other day, if you like watched our other vlog of like Mickey's very Merry Christmas party, we had 70 cookies. I managed to snatch 70 cookies. So I know what I'm having for snacks for the next 2 weeks. Yep, so Star Tours was different, finally, as in like when we rode like 2 years ago, it was like the same video every single time, but no, it's different, and this time we had Darth Vader and Yoda, which was awesome. The one thing I did notice, though, the first time we rode it, like last couple of days ago on Saturday, is that when you end, like when you end, it like goes into, you land in Galaxy's Edge, like the artwork for it, kind of really promoting that. The hell out of that actually in the video, so I thought that was a pretty clever edit. And I suppose if you have it different every time you might miss that, but I suppose it's just more reasons to keep going on it. But this one you didn't, you just ended normally. But I liked the fact that Yoda was there. Feisty one you are! So we finally got onto the Aerosmith coaster, because remember what happened last time, like it broke down just as we were about to get onto it. Annoying. But anyway, they got some really cool merchandise here, like Mickey rocking out Cardo t-shirts and stuff like that. To the soundtrack of a rock and roll Christmas. Yeah, it is. Do you
want to Mickey glasses, right? Look how cute that is.
A what?
You make glasses, right?
No.
You put them around your glasses so that you don't lose them.
No, normally when I put glass on my face, I know where they are.
Yeah, but you buy them under that.
You mean like old people do? Oh. No, why do I want that? Odd thing to have at Aerosmith. Okay, so we've decided to come on a Disney Vacation Club tour thing. I don't really know what to call it. Anyway, so like we spoke to him for a bit, like we got picked up, it's all like free and everything. Got picked up by like a Disney van thing, not a minivan, but just a normal van. And we're here, I think this is old Key West, might just one.
Oh, I've just made that up. I can't remember which one we went to now.
I can't remember, that's one of the things. Anyway, it's like we're going to look around like a few studios to show you all of that. But this is the room that we've got in at the moment. They have like just
free tea and coffee and pastries and stuff. It's all cute.
The cake is very nice.
Do you want the slice?
Yes. Okay, so yeah, so we just went to the Disney Vacation Club meeting. We'll be keeping you updated exactly what we think about that in probably another video. But we got free ice cream, which is awesome. Gift voucher, which again is awesome. And free fast passes. Idiots going away. Four, yeah, whatever. So we're walking over to the Alien Space Swirling Saucer Spin, or whatever it's called, Alien Saucer Spin. Right now, so let's go have a look at Toy Story Land. And this is the only other ride which you haven't ridden yet. We've done Slinky Dog Dash. Toy Story Mania, we've done that loads of times. This is the key for Alien Swirly Saucers.
Oh, it's such a fast pass queue, but
well, kind of, you know. It's all the same rubbish. Da la la da da. Sha la 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 la. filming.
Sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien abrochados y las manos
So we're on the alien Sterling saucers now. Full POV, point of view.
y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
By the way, the aliens even say gracias. Gracias. Oh.
They said the whole thing. Which is the only word I was familiar with.
Yeah.
My Spanish?
Oh no, a woman said the first bits. Here we go. Or not.
Maybe.
Baby.
Maybe.
Here we go. Hey. Hey. Getting jostled around a lot. It is. That was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. That's really good. Oh, no way, they've got like those really cool Nightmare Before Christmas stuff.
Look, and there's Mickey dressed as Jack.
Oh, that's really cute. We've just seen The Muppet Show, one of my favourites.
Hurts my eyes. It feels like, you know, very primitive 3D.
Yeah, I suppose it was here when I came first time, so 2005.
Now I get older than that.
Yeah, I'm really glad, even though like there hasn't been a lot of people going to it, that it's still there, and hopefully it'll be there for years to come. Because I love it.
Cushion.
Oh, I'm a cushion. Muppet Vision 3D.
2 for $22.
What?
You buy 2. Or $22 each when you buy 2 stuffed toys. They've got Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and Pluto and Daisy.
We roll back a little bit, then here we go. Yeah. Slinky Dog Dash. Hello, Weezy.
The microphone things are
I have no idea what the microphone is called.
Just me and you. Slacking all my toy friends.
Okay, so we're about to go on Toy Story Mania, and this is the new line for it. So it's supposed to be like the box for Midway Mania. What?
a lot more outside.
Yeah. It's a lot better than the old one, to be fair. Even though it's just a queue, so come on.
Now we're in the old one.
What do you want? It's a queue! Yeah.
We've got Walt Disney's Peter Pan on the views.
Really cute. Last new, Mr. Potato Head. Hello, Mr. Potato Head. What is it? Because basically it's a bit dark to see that any kind of Star Wars construction update, but it's mainly the same kind of stuff, not a lot. But we have some news about the Sky Ride that we've learnt today. Basically they're extending the Sky Ride, the the gondola thingy, like to the a Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and loads more of the resorts, like Art of Animation. That's what they're expected to do with that, as well as I think they said Old Key West was getting a revamp. So that's just some inside knowledge, but anyway, let's just keep that under downer, guys. Anyway, so if you've enjoyed this vlog today, make sure you have subscribed to Planet Mark and hit our bell notification to be told of the next great upload. Tomorrow I think we're going to Pandora and Animal Kingdom, so make sure you're still around for that. So make sure you like and share the video, share it around, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog, or loads of great Disney pictures on our Instagram at Disney.Dreamer_UK. See you in the next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.